Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand it solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in a daily time frame. So here you can see that the formation of this bullish hammer on Friday could result in a sharp upward move where the S&P 500 futures are currently just above the long resistance level. So here you can see that the futures closed the week at 3345. So here I find that this seems to be a very critical zone because here you can see that a long-term resistance is here. So here you can see that at the levels of 3336 can provide an immediate resistance to S&P 500 futures because this level seems to be a decisive juncture because here you can see that during the month of February just tried to sustain above this level but found stiff resistance at the levels of 3394 and finally started to move downward when the S&P 500 futures moved downward below this level of 3336. Here we can see that the S&P 500 futures started the day with a gap down opening on February 24th and this downward move continued up to the levels of 2851 what the S&P 500 futures tested on February 28th, and once again the S&P 500 futures tried to move upward and found stiff resistance at the levels of 3125. So friends, here I find that this level could be a very decisive juncture because here if the S&P 500 futures take a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we'll see the S&P 500 futures to test the immediate resistance at 3394, what could be a double top formation for S&P 500 futures where the S&P 500 futures may see a sharp sell-off if they try to test these highs. Once again we will see the S&P 500 futures to find a heavy sell-off from these levels. Here I find that a gap down opening below the levels of 3323 will result in a sharp downward move where the immediate support could be found at the levels of 3247, but a breakout below these levels will result in a sharp downward move where the next support will be at the levels of 3169 where the 50 days exponential moving average will provide some support, but a breakout below these levels will result in a sharp downward move up to the upper end of Ichimoku cloud where the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 3058, could be a strong support level for the S&P 500 futures. So friends, here I find that the risk is very higher with every step during the upcoming week. Here I find that the S&P 500 futures may find this range, which is a tough resistance zone for the S&P 500 futures from the levels of 3344 to 3394. Because here the S&P 500 futures may find stiff resistance where a sell-off could start any time during the upcoming week. If the S&P 500 futures try to sustain amid this zone, I find that a breakout below the levels of 3297 could push the S&P 500 futures up to the levels of 3080 where the upper end of Ichimoku cloud will provide some support, but a sustained move below the levels of 3058 could result in a sharp downward move up to the lower end of Ichimoku cloud because here you can see that the current position of moving averages look not giving some clear signal for an upward move because here the S&P 500 futures are very near to form a double top here which could result in a sharp downward move from these levels. So the risk is very high with every upward step of S&P 500 futures. So risk will remain very high during the upcoming week for S&P 500 futures because every upward move will extend this risk up to a higher level because here I find that any upward move up to the levels of 3394 could result in a sharp sell-off in the S&P 500 futures during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in the S&P 500 futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.